Gukinyira riu muingi wa matura matiganite kaunti-ini ya Garissa utiri uratauko ni kire kirare kingi na oni thutha wa kuona mīīrī mabinda kwa mabinda rūūī-inī rwa Tana yobanitio maguru na njara na ingi ikarutwo ibuthite ni undu uria gegetia atongoria gicigo-ini giki na gutuma ikundi iria itetagira iboto cia muingi gukumithia giko giki na njira nene.
We have confirmed that indeed there are at least 11 bodies at the Garissa Referral Hospital mortuary. We were able to view the bodies and confirmed that some of them had their hands tied with ropes. We were also shown stones that apparently were tied to the bodies. All of them were picked from the river as they have drowned in those rivers.
Makiuria bunge cio giteri gutabania uthuthuria niguo kumenya kuria mīīrī ino yumite amu matura-ini maria marigiceirie gutire weumiretie kwanirĩrithia mundu urite maugite mekurutithania wira na muingi wa guku nginya matigirire uma ni weumiria.
They would like the security agencies to take responsibility. It has nothing to do with local communities, because if it's communities, we normally know our Somali community and the riverine communities. The mode of communication is we get the information faster than fire.
Mbunge wa Garissa Town Aden Duale agikomithia giko giki ugite kirigithia giki no gitauriro ni bunge cio giteri ni amu muingi ni urenda kumenya mīīrī ino yumite ku na no uratabania ciiko ici.
It is a mandate of the IG and the DCI and the office of the DPP and the Ministry of Interior to investigate and to bring the people behind it, whether they are government or they are criminals.
Ona gukiri uguo borithi gicigo-ini giki mari na ibinda iritu ria kubata kumenya mīīrī ino kuria yumite makiuga gutire mwiri wonekanite uri na maratathi o mothe maria mangiteithiriria kuutambura no indi matwarite tucunji tunini erabu-ini ya thirikari uguteithiriria uthuthuria makiria. Gukiri uguo muingi wa kaunti ya Garissa na matura maria marigiceirie ni morite gukorwo maitho niguo kungikorwo na mundu urite mabure riboti kwa borithi ni amu kwaya gukorwo imwe ya mīīrī ino ni ya mundu wa matura macio. Mīīrī iria irutitwo itwaritwo nyumba-ini itiganite cia kuiga mīīrī kaunti-ini ya Garissa na kaunti iria irigiceirie guku uthuthuria ukithiaga na mbere. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Muriithi.